Hello, inner Rushinhos. Welcome to another episode of Mastering Phrasal Verbs. And in today's lesson, lesson 3, we are going to talk about structure and flexibility. So, how phrasal verbs work in real sentences, in real life, okay? Let's test your intuition at first. Which of these sounds more correct? So, turn the light off, turn off the light, or turn off it. I'm going to wait. Time is over. Actually, two are correct. Number one and two. Both are fine, but turn off it is always wrong. And let's find out why. Two main types of phrasal verb collocations: separable and inseparable. The separable phrasal verbs are the ones you can separate and put the object in the middle. So, for example, turn off the TV. The TV is the object. Turn the TV off. Both are correct. You can separate turn and off and put the object in the middle. Object placement, you can put it before or after the particle. It's your call. Just a moment. I'm back. So here it is. Object placement, before or after the particle. You decide because this particle is separable, okay? Rule: move the object freely from the end to the middle or from the middle to the end. Okay? So turn off the TV or turn the TV off. Inseparable phrasal verbs, the ones you cannot move. The object is always at the end of the sentence. Look after your kids. It's never look your kids after. That is totally wrong. So look after is the phrasal verb. Your kids is the object. So look after your kids. Always like this. After the particle only. The placement is only and exclusively after the particle. Okay? After the word that comes after the verb. Look after, this is the particle. We talked about particles. And the object is always next to this particle. The object never goes in the middle. This is the rule. Quick tip for you. If you can move the object between the verb and the particle, it's separable. If not, it's inseparable. So you are going to try to move. And if it changes the meaning, or if it doesn't make much sense, probably it's not separable. Okay? Okay. Separable phrasal verbs. Examples: turn off, pick up, and put on. Turn off the light. Turn the light off. Huh? Pick up the phone. Pick the phone up. Pick up the phone. Pick the phone up. Put on your jacket. Put on your jacket. Put your jacket on. Okay? Inseparable phrasal verbs, the one you cannot separate. They are glued together. Look after. Look after your sister. Wrong. Look your sister after. That's not correct. So the correct is look after your sister. Get over. Get over. The correct sentences. It's just one. The correct sentence: she got over her fear. The wrong sentence: she got her fear over. That's wrong. It's even difficult to remember. É até difícil de lembrar, porque tá tão errado que é até difícil de falar. Run into. Run into. The correct sentence: I ran into my old friend. The wrong sentence. I ran my old friend into. That's not correct. Ok? Então, you are always. Portuguese. You are always going to put the object in the middle to see if it makes any sense. Usually it doesn't. Of course, these are not the only ones, the separable or the inseparable. There are many others. It's almost an infinite list. Of course, they are finite because there aren't many phrasal verbs in this world, but there are a lot. So I will put down here after the video, I will place a document with a list of the most common separable and inseparable phrasal verbs so you can study. Let's talk about the pronoun rule. If the object is a pronoun, so I, you, we, they, he, she, it, it's always in the middle. Always in the middle. Pick it up and not pick up it. That's wrong. Turn it off. Never turn off it. Okay? Turn it off or pick it up. Always. Okay? There's a song like, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. I forgot. But the ones who know. Why? Because English avoids placing small, light words like it at the end of a phrasal verb. Okay? So we avoid that. That's a rule and you have to follow. Okay? Examples in context. Can you turn off the TV? Or can you turn the TV off? Sure, I'll turn it off. And never, I'll turn off it. That's wrong. Did you hand your essay? Yes, I handed it in last night. Hand in is the phrasal verb. Handed it in. The it is in the middle. Never handed in it. Never. Don't forget to take off your shoes. Or don't forget to take your shoes off. There's a song from Sabrina Carpenter that just launched where she says, take your shoes off. Take your shoes off. So, separable phrasal verbs. You know, Sabrina, she rocks. Okay, I'll take them off. Not I'll take off them. That's wrong. Take them off. Even though take off, it's a separable phrasal verb and versatile, ok? Mesmo que seja versátil, o take off, para outros tipos de objeto, for other types of objects, for subjects, pronouns, for pronouns, you cannot flex. You cannot put the pronoun at the end. Never. Always in the middle. So in this case, it's not versatile, flexible. Only when your object is another thing besides the pronoun, okay? All right, let's do a grammar check. Just so we can remind. She put on. Correct or not? So we have sentence, correct or not, and why. She put on is not correct because the pronoun, she put on it. Because the pronoun is after the particle, and this is wrong. So she put it on. She put it on, okay? She put it on, it's correct. The pronoun is between the verb and the particle. I looked the word up. Very correct. The object is in the middle, separable. I looked the word up. I looked up the word, okay? I looked up the word. Also correct because this is a separable phrasal verb. I looked up it. Wrong pronoun placement. So it's a wrong, not correct. I looked it up, okay? The it comes before the up. Good job. Let's talk about a summary of what we studied so far. Separable Phrasal verbs. The object can go before or after the particle. Example, turn off the TV or turn the TV off. If you are a Disney fan, you probably know Lemonade Mouth. They have a music that chamada, it's awesome. Né? They have a song called Turn Up the Music. Turn up the music. Turn up the music. Turn the music up is also possible. Inseparable. Object stays after the particle and never in between. Look after your sister is correct, and the wrong version would be look your sister after. That's totally wrong. Pronoun. The pronoun must go between verb and particle. Turn it off and never turn off it. Pick it up and never pick up it. Okay? I hope you liked this lesson because this was very fast. It was a flash lesson, but it was very important. Next lesson, we have a very important situation of the phrasal verb, but we'll see each other on Thursday. Kisses, kisses from Teacher Bella, and see you next lesson.